Train chest, shoulders, back, legs, abs, and arms without a gym. You don't need a gym to build muscle. What you need is resistance. And the room you're sitting in right now already has enough of it. A backpack, a chair, a wall, the floor, a few sturdy objects. These aren't useless items. This is your home gym. Core training exercise. 1 overhead. Core hold. Extend both arms straight overhead and hold until failure. This is one of the strongest positions your core can maintain. Gymnasts train this for a reason. It builds the foundation for advanced movements. Exercise 2. Reverse crunch. This targets lower ab control. Lie on your back with your hands beside your body or under your hips. Pull your knees toward your chest. But here's the key. Don't just swing your legs. Curl your pelvis off the floor. Your tailbone should lift toward the ceiling. That pelvic curl is what truly isolates the lower abs. Without it, you're mostly training the hip flexors. Move slowly and with control. Keep tension on the abs. Control the pelvis. Now let's talk about the part that determines whether this program actually works or wastes the next 12 weeks of your life. The training plan. Most home workout videos get this completely wrong. They tell you, train 3 days a week. Do 6 to 15 reps. Keep workouts short. That's just a gym program copied into home training, and it doesn't work the same way. Why? Heavy gym weights cause major muscle damage, so your body needs extra recovery time. But at home, resistance is usually lighter. That means you can, and should, train more frequently because progression happens slower unless you increase the workload consistently. 3-day beginner plan. If you're new to training or coming back after a long break, start here for the first month. Monday, push chest, shoulders, triceps. Wednesday, pull back, biceps. Friday, legs and abs. Your goal is to build consistency, learn proper form, improve work capacity 5-day growth plan. Once your body adapts, or if you already train consistently, move to this split for maximum muscle growth. Monday, chest plus triceps Tuesday, back plus biceps Wednesday, legs Thursday, shoulders plus abs Friday, arms, biceps plus triceps, Saturday and Sunday. Rest, walk, recover. On each training day, perform all exercises for that muscle group. Do 3 to 4 sets per exercise. Failure, reps, and rest training. Close to failure. Most sets should stop 1 to 2 reps before failure. Only the final set should go to true failure. Why? Because taking every set to absolute failure burns out your nervous system too quickly. Natural lifters grow best by most sets close to failure. Final set all out. That's sustainable progress. Reps. The number doesn't matter. Effort does. Some sets may be 15 reps, some 30, some 50. The correct rep range is simply whatever number brings you close to failure with good form. Rest time. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Progressive overload. The real secret. Every single week, something must become harder. Add books to your backpack. Slow down the tempo. Add 1 more rep. Reduce rest time. Switch to a harder variation. Every week, improve something. If you repeat the exact same workout for 2 straight months, your body has no reason to grow. That's why most home workouts fail. People never progress. Now you will. The 12-week challenge. Train 3 to 5 days per week, depending on your level. Most sets close to failure. Last set to true failure. Make something harder every week. Follow this plan for 12 weeks. Then tell me your body didn't change. Because it will. Look around your room right now. A backpack, a few books, water bottles, a chair, a wall. That's all you need. The gym was never the answer. The answer was always you.